Hey guys, how y'all doing? Welcome to another Crypto Sensei live stream. Hope y'all are having a fantastic day as I am. Y'all know how it is. XRP mooning like always. Price is going to the upside all around the world, guys. You know how it is. It's just chilling like a villain. XRP doing whatever the fuck it wants to do, just like always, guys. So how y'all doing, guys? We're gonna go in it today. We got a great show for today, guys. We got a very important show for today, guys, because we're gonna talk about these markets right here. Are we gonna go up? Are we gonna go down? Are we gonna go sideways? What's going on? I don't know. Let's find out together. Smash that like button if you haven't already. Follow and subscribe from whatever platform you're looking on me at. I'm streaming on every single platform out there, guys. I'm on Twitch. I'm on Kick. I'm on TikTok. I'm on TikTok. I'm on YouTube. I'm all over the place, guys. No reason why not to get my price action, guys, like always. So make sure that you smash that like button if you haven't already. Follow and subscribe. If you're in the YouTube channel, make sure that you hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I stream here on the YouTubes. I'm trying to stream every single day at 5 p.m. Eastern. So big shout out for everybody here, guys. Let me make sure that everything is up and running like always. Yeah, you know how it is. Let me set this over here. Let me set that over there, guys. Let's set up the charts, guys, because we're going to go in it today, guys. We're going to go in it, and we're going to go in it big. Trying to stack up on my XRP, guys, you know, like always. Big shout out to Chuck T over on the TikTok saying, what's XRP doing today? XRP doing whatever the fuck XRP wants to do. It doesn't really matter, bro. So XRP moving to the downside. We're having a little bit of a curvature back down on the RSI. That's beautiful to see, because the lower it goes, the more I want to buy in. I don't know if we're actually going to see that 57 XRP. I really want them to go down to 57 cents. I'm going to start stacking up on more XRP at 57 cents, guys. It is what it is. We got major support. We got some major support over here. We got some major support over there. Let me move it over here so you guys can see it. So we got this support holding it up here. We got this support holding it up here. We got all this support holding it up here. I don't know, guys. I don't know. You do whatever the hell you got to do, guys. Stack up on more XRP. I don't know. I just don't know, bro. I just don't know. I just don't know. So yeah, guys, let's sub the charts. We're going to go in it today. Big shout out to everybody here. Big shout out, big shout out, big shout out. We're going to give it a few more minutes just to see how it gets here, guys. In the meantime, please go right ahead and smack that like button if you haven't already. Follow and subscribe from whatever platform you're looking on me at. I'm streaming on every single platform out there. So make sure that you smash that follow just in case I ever get banned on any of these streaming platforms like it has happened before. We have a backup, you know. We always have a YouTube, we have a Twitch, we have a Facebook, we have everything, guys. We have everything. No reason why not to get my price action, guys. Chuck T over on the TikTok saying, should I close my long on XRP? Brother, that's up to you, bro. I ain't closing no damn trades. You do whatever you got to do, guys. If you feel like you got to close your trades, and close your trades. Completely up to you. I ain't closing shit. I ain't closing shit. It's bouncing on the 618. I don't know. It's finding that support on the 618. You do whatever the hell you got to do, guys. If anything, I'd be doubling down. If I had the money to double down right now on this 60-cent XRP, I would. I just don't. I already bought at 60 cents. I already bought at 57. I wanted to buy at 55. It is what it is. Javier, big shout out to Javier over on the TikTok. What's up with you, brother? It's all good, all good. You know how it is. Just chilling like a villain, taking it easy. Crypto Angel, big shout out to Crypto Angel. How you doing, Angel? It's all good, all good. It's, you know how it is. Just chilling like a villain. Chuck T over on the TikTok channel saying, are you long on XRP? I am long on XRP right now. This is my trade on XRP. I'm banking 2% on this trade. So if you ever want to follow my trades, remember you can always follow my trades over on BitGet. BitGet will always show you my trades right there. I'm open on it, long on XRP, 5x on the leverage trade, and I'm up 2% for today. I am longing XRP. Longing XRP. Big shout out to you, Crypto Angel, over on the TikTok channel. Like always. So we're going to give it a few more minutes, guys. A few more minutes and we'll start the class. Let's see who else gets here. Where's my water? I forgot my water. Damn it. I'll go get some water later now. Guys, also, if you want to share the wealth, share the information, share it with everybody you know, go ahead and smash that share button, guys. Let's make it happen. Try to grow this channel as much as we can. You know how it is. Chuck T over on the TikTok channel saying, are you in Ralphie's Discord or was that someone else? No. Who the hell is Ralphie? I am not in anybody's Discord, guys. So if you ever see Crypto Sensei anywhere else other than my own Discord, sure as shit ain't me. So be careful with them scammers, bro. Be careful with them scammers. It is not me. Big D, big shout out to you, Big D. Big shout out to Fire PR116. Thank you so much for that follow over on the TikTok. Chuck T over saying, Dojo Discord. No, brother, I am not in no Dojo's Discord. No, that is not me, brother. I have my own Discord, and that's where I am 24/7, but I am not in anybody else's Discord. No, it is not me. So be careful, guys. Be careful. There's only one and only Crypto Sensei TV, and that is me. So big shout out for everybody here, guys. Going to give it one more minute, and we'll start the class. Chuck T saying, I was just wondering, bro. Yeah, no, hey, bring it over here. That's what we're here for, man. Got to keep an eye out on them, all them scammers, bro. Got to bring them down. So yeah, guys. Let's see what the markets are going to be doing today. Today, I want to talk about the markets. Are we going to go up? Are we going to go down? Are we going to go sideways? I don't know. Let's find out together. Smash that like button if you haven't already. Also, I'm going to be giving you guys a little update on my trading bots. They're doing absolutely amazing. They're wrecking to the upside like always. And we're going to talk about my trade on XRP, of course. We're going to try to figure out what the hell. Are we going to go up? Or are we going to go down? I just don't know, guys. I just don't know anymore, bro. I just don't know. I do think that the prices are going to be having a little bit of a pullback. I don't know why. It kind of feels like it's going to... I have a sort of like a gut feeling that it's going to break below the 618 on the Fibonacci levels. I don't know. But if it does, I'm going to tell you right now, I'm doubling down on the way down. Doubling down on the way down. That's just the way to go, guys. I'm going to stack up on my XRP as much as I can. I'm trying to figure out how the hell am I going to get cash into XRP. I'm banned all over the place. I can't even buy crypto no more. That's a clear sign right there that they don't want to help the little guys. They just don't want to help them out, guys. I bought too much XRP, so I can't buy anymore. It is what it is. Black Sheep, big shout out to you, Black Sheep, over on the TikTok channel saying, let's go down. Absolutely. Phoenix, big shout out to Phoenix. How you doing, Phoenix? We're Boricua Wepa. You know how it is. Boricua's in the house. That's right, guys. I am Puerto Rican. I am in Puerto Rico right now enjoying these tax havens. You know how it is. You know how it is, guys. So XRP, we're going to talk about it today. We're going to go into a lot more depth, but I mean, XRP is just looking beautiful. If this is not a cup and handle formation, I don't know what is, guys. This is textbook cup and handle formations, guys. Right up to here. My man, let me tell you right now, this is a double down to the upside. That is major bullish on XRP. That's for sure. Look at this cup and handle. It doesn't get any better than this, guys. It just doesn't get any better than that. We're going to go in it today, guys. Don't worry about it. We're going to break it down for you guys. Also, guys, if you have any coins, any assets you want to look at in specific, go ahead and write it down on the chat box. I will do my best to do any TA that you guys want to talk about. So if you go ahead and write it down on the chat box, I will do my TA and whatever coins you want to look at. Okay, guys? You got me for an hour of power, so take advantage of it. Ask away whatever questions you guys have for my trading entry prices on all these coins. Black Sheep over on the TikTok channel saying they stopped me also. Can't use credit card, only debit card. I can't even use my debit card, bro. My bank account said no more. I don't know how the hell I'm gonna get cash into crypto now. I can't use my Coinbase. I can't use my crypto.com. I can't use Uphold. I tried to do the bridging over on Sologenic. That also didn't work on my debit card. They are doing their best to stop me from getting more XRP. I don't know. I just don't know, guys. Schmunson, big shout out to Schmunson over on the YouTube channel saying XRP for the win. Get that shit pumping soon. Absolutely facts, Schmunson. Big shout out to you over on the YouTube channel. That doesn't get any better than that, guys. If you guys are not stacking up on your XRP, I don't know what to do to you guys. I don't know what else to tell you guys. You know, you do what you got to do. Lolita153, big shout out to you over on the TikTok channel saying, what bank was that? It's a federal bank. I'm not going to say the exact bank. So I'm not going to give all my personal information on the internet. But it's a federal bank, and they are not allowing me to buy any crypto whatsoever. Not using my credit card, my debit card, anything, nothing. I can't even link it up using the Play. You know that you use Play to link your bank account to all these apps? They're not even allowing me to do that. I just don't know. Big D over on the TikTok. Big shout out, Big D. Thank you so much for that crown over on the TikTok channel. So much. Highly appreciate you like always. Big D asking, hey, my brother, can you tell me anything about Matic? You want to talk about some Matic, Fatic? Of course we can talk about some Matic, bro. Let me get my handy dandy notebook and write it down. Where's my pen? I think I have it in my pocket. There we go. Getting my pen and paper so I can write down all these coins so we can talk about it. Of course, we can't talk about some Matic. Don't worry about that, guys. Keep it coming. We'll talk about some Matic today. We talk about some XRP. We talk about some Bitcoin. Let's go in and let me get rid of this so it doesn't confuse you for all this price action over here. All right, guys. Let's start the class. All right, everybody. I like to start the class the same way every single day, looking on these markets to see where we're at. Are we making money? Or are we losing money? Are we up? Are we down? Are we sideways? What's going on? I don't know. Let's find out together. Make sure that you smash that like button if you haven't already.
Can you say that again?
I'm not talking to you, Alexa. Cancel.
Thanks for the feedback.
She wants to do crypto also. I don't know what to tell you guys. So yeah, guys, I like to start with Bitcoin first because Bitcoin is the big mama bear. Whatever Bitcoin does, so does everything else. So if you're going to do your technical analysis, start it on Bitcoin first. Okay, guys? It is what it is. I look at Bitcoin on the daily charts first. We always start with the daily charts, then we move down to lower time frames so that we can know how, when, and what direction is the momentum going. And that's how we trade it. We trade it always in favor of the momentum. So we always start with the daily, and then we move into the smaller time frames, okay? So we zoom in on the daily chart on Bitcoin to look at what the last two candles are doing. I say the daily chart because this daily chart means that every single one of these candles is a day old, okay? It's 24 hours. So maybe 24 hours, we print one more. Always at 8 p.m. my time, which would be 7 p.m. for you guys, okay? 7 p.m. Eastern is when we're at 8 p.m. Eastern, 9 p.m. my time. So at 8 p.m. Eastern, we always print out one new candle. So that's why I stream about this time frame whatsoever, so that we can see if we can catch that next candle. 24, big shout out to you over on the TikTok channel saying, you tried Apple? I tried Apple. It did not allow me to do it also. I can't use Apple. I cannot use my debit card. They do not want me to buy fucking crypto. I don't know what it is. Tato! Big shout out to Tato over on the Twitch channel saying, yo, Mr. Sensei. It's all good, brother. You know how it is. Just chilling like a villain, taking it easy. Going little by little. Big shout out to you. Techno Wolf, big shout out to you over on the TikTok channel. How you doing, brother? It's all good, all good. DGR, big shout out to you. Big shout out to User 33. Thank you so much for that follow, brother. Stevie XRP saying 300K XRP or 5 BTC for next bull run. Holy shit, bro. Don't tell me how much XRP you have. We don't need to know over here. This is all public, brother. You don't want to reveal your secrets, bro. But that's one hell of a hefty bag for you, brother. Congratulations to you, bro. XR Perro! Big shout out to my brother from another mother. Perro, how you doing, bro? Thank you for those roses, bro. Thank you so much. Thank you like always. I appreciate you like always. Tato over on the Twitch channel saying, how you doing, my brother? It's all good, man. You know how it is. Just chilling like a villain, taking it easy, going little by little. Just going, day at a time, trying to figure things out. Doesn't get any better than this. We're just hodling. We're hodling to the moon, guys. It doesn't get any better than this. Black Sheep saying over on the TikTok channel, money marked debit card. You want to do money marked debit card? We could try it out, see if it would actually work. Maybe put $100 in and see if I can actually link it up to my crypto.com account. I don't know. I got to figure something out. I got to do what I got to do. Royal Darkness, how you doing, brother? It's all good. How you doing, Royal Darkness? What's up with you? Pero, thank you so much for that share, brother. Also, guys, if you want to share the link, share the information, share it with everybody you know, go ahead and smash that share button on the TikTok or whatever platform you're looking on me at. We try to grow this channel as much as we can, and I cannot do it without you guys' help. So if you can share the link, share the information, share the wealth with everybody you know, I would highly appreciate you all. All right, guys, so starting with Bitcoin today. Bitcoin on the upward swing. That is beautiful to see. But do keep in mind that everything that goes up must come down. So nothing goes up forever, guys. There's going to be pullbacks. I'm waiting for that pullback on Bitcoin to happen real soon. We are on the curving back down on the RSI. That's a clear direction. That's a clear indication that prices might have a little bit of a tumble to the downside. We want that price action to come back down, okay? I want the prices to come back down. We have a low. We have a high. And I'm going to pretend that we're going to get that reversal of the high. So we have a shark fin formation. That's going to give me the Fibonacci level so I can go in on the Fibonacci levels and figure out what my entry price for Bitcoin is. 30,596 is my entry price to getting in on some Bitcoin action, guys. So take a screenshot of that if you guys want to play it out like you ever the hell you want to play it out. Completely up to you. It's not financial advice. It's just me showing you how I am going to be trading Bitcoin in the short term. And in the long term. Long term is 30,596. That's my entry price for some Bitcoin action. Ray! Big shout out to Ray over on the Twitch channel saying, what's up, though, Sensei? It's all good, brother. You know how it is. Big shout out to you over on the Twitch channel. Alisa Ruiz, big shout out to you, Alisa Ruiz over on the TikTok. Hi, I'm new. Ex Perro referred me. Yeah, man, you're in the right place. A friend of Perro is a friend of me. You're in the right place, Alisa. Big shout out to you. Crypto Angel, big shout out to Crypto Angel. Thank you so much for that heart, brother. Love you so much, like always. Thank you for the support. Thank you so much. Alisa, you're in the right place, my man. Let me tell you right now, Alisa, you're in the right place. Stick around, you might learn a thing or two, and you're in the right community, hey, for sure. So guys, my entry price for some Bitcoin action is 30,596. Now, I'm not saying that we're going to go to 30K Bitcoin. This fucker can pump from here and go to 100K by tomorrow. You know how it is. We've all seen the volatility on Bitcoin, okay? But if it is going to go to the downside, my trigger finger is being pulled at 30,596. Okay, so I have a limit buy order, which is an automatic buy order, buying Bitcoin at 30,596. Okay, what is 30,596? That is the 618 on the Fibonacci levels. Okay, what is the 618 on the Fibonacci levels? Very simple. The Fibonacci levels always give you support lines on the way down and resistance lines on the way up. In other words, you're gonna want to buy when everybody else is buying. You always follow the money. So the 618 is always the highest demand zone. The 618 is always the highest demand zone. Okay, which means that is where most people are going to be buying Bitcoin if it dumps from here. Always follow the money. Always follow the money. If they trade one way, you're going to trade the exact same way. And when do they trade? On the 618 on the Fibonacci level. So learn to identify the 618 and trade in favor of the 618. If this fucker dumps from here, 30,596 is when I'm pulling the trigger. Okay. Bruno Crypto, big shout out to you over on the Twitch channel saying, hey, buddy, good to see you. Let's go. Hell yeah, Bruno Crypto, big shout out to you, bro. Tato over on the Twitch channel saying, money runs too fast from me. Man, let me tell you right now, yes, it does. This fucker moves in the speed of light and faster than that. One day you're having a bad day. The other day you're having a great day. The other day you're having a bad day, a great day. It moves. That's why I have limit buy orders, because I have to sleep, I have to eat, I have to do something else with my life. I can't be looking at the screen every moment of every day, you know? So with that, I put a limit buy order. It'll automatically buy for me at 30,596, and then I let it rip. I let it do its thing. It could go up, it could go down. It doesn't matter. I'm holding on to my Bitcoin, okay? King of Love, big shout out to you over on the TikTok channel saying, when can we expect bullish scenario? Bro, what are you talking about, bro? We've been bullish since day one. This is day one of it. We've been bullish our whole lives, bro. What are you talking about? I know what you mean. You're talking about short term. I mean, we are definitely bullish right here. The lowest of the lows is 15K. Anybody who bought at 15K doubled their money from that point on. So, yeah, it's looking absolutely amazing. I'm just saying that we might, in the short term, coming December, January, March, April, all those months are always going. I'm thinking it's going to be going to the downside because we're getting the halving. And usually when we get the halving, we get the run up at the end of the year. Then the halving sort of dumps the price. And then we get the bull cycle, like super mega hella bullish to all-time highs. Okay. I'm just saying that this is a time to start stacking up. This is accumulation zone. All of this price action right here, where we are right now, is accumulation zone. This is where you're going to want to start stacking up on some Bitcoin or wherever. It doesn't really matter. Whatever coins you guys want. It's accumulation zone right now. Okay. It's not yesterday. It's not tomorrow. It's today. Now. Okay. So yeah, hella bullish always, my man. Hella bullish always. Royal Darkness over on the TikTok channel saying hugs, Angel. Super big hugs. Big hugs to you too, brother. You know how it is. Crypto Sister, big shout out to you, Crypto Sister. There he is. Let's go, Sensei. Big shout out to you, Crypto Sister. Welcome like always. B Alpha, my man, LFG. You know how it is, brother. It's all good. Chilling like a villain. Crypto Ray, Rachel. How you doing, Rachel? Big shout out to you, Rachel. Live and learn. Of course, without live and learn, there is no Crypto Sensei. How you doing, live and learn? Big shout out to you. Crypto Angel saying thoughts on GBEX. You want to talk about some GBEX? I've never heard of that coin. GBEX. We'll talk about it. Don't worry about that. Who I am. Big shout out to you. Thank you for that follow over on the TikTok channels. Uber Guy wants to talk about Cetus. We can talk about Cetus. Never heard about that coin. So we're going to talk about that. Don't worry about it. Big shout out to Danny over on the TikTok channel. Thank you so much for that follow. Tato over on the Twitch saying worse. I wake up and I look at my bank account with 4 digits and suddenly in 5 minutes I look again and it's 2 digits under the 50. Man, we've all been there. I'm still there. So it is what it is. I have like automatic payments on everything, all of my debts, all the light, the water, the gas, the TV, the phones, everything is like automatic pay. I get paid and then it automatically disappears. So yeah, I'm there with you, brother. Don't worry about it. This is part of life. Crypto Sister over on the TikTok channel saying how the bots doing from last week. Any profit? We'll talk about the bots. Don't worry about that. I'm going to give you guys a little bit of market updates to see what the markets are doing, and then we'll talk about the bots. So stick around, Crypto Sister. I'll talk to you. We did do some really good trades over on the bots. Live and learn. Thank you so much for the heart. Like always, highly appreciate you. Thank you so much. Tato over on the Twitch channel saying, yeah, circle of life. Some Hakuna Matata later on the field to feel better. Yeah, man, you got to concentrate on the positive, bro, because if you concentrate on the negative is all over the place. If you concentrate on the negative, you're going to find it, okay? It's in abundance around the world today. We are always being bombarded with FUD and bad news. Now there's this whole new virus killing people in China again. Have you heard about that? What the hell, bro? I don't want to go through COVID again. But let me tell you right now, if we are getting a new COVID strain, then prices to the downside, more buying power. That's all I got to say. You got to look at the positive with the negative. Ubugar saying, I just bought an XRP t-shirt on eBay. Do you, boo-boo? Represent. Walk around with the shirt, but I got my hat right here. I always walk around with my hat. Crypto Sister, thank you so much for those fingers. Thank you so much for the love. Thank you for the appreciation, like always. All right, guys. So my plan for Bitcoin was 30,500. Who the fuck is talking to me? I don't know. Everybody's talking to me, man. All these AIs talking to me. I don't want to talk to you guys right now. Moving on to some Ethereum action. So for Ethereum, nothing has changed for my Ethereum plan. Okay, we're still waiting for the price action back down to 1,749, 1,619, and 1,544. These are my limit buy orders to getting and stacking up on more Ethereum. Okay, not saying that we're going to get to those price ranges to the downside, but if we are, my trigger finger is already locked and loaded for 1,749. Okay, a lot of my purchasing power is at 1,749. Okay. And if it breaks to the downside, then these are my 2 levels on the way down, just in case it dumps. It could dump. I don't know if it is, but if it is, I'm ready. Okay, my prices are locked in. These are my price ranges. Okay, 1,749, 1,619, 1,544. Okay. Okay, so moving on to my beautiful baby girl XRP, my man. Let me tell you right now, for anybody who does TA, it doesn't get any better than this when we're talking about patterns on the charts, okay? This pattern that is playing out right now is called a cup and handle, okay? Cup and handle. Okay, so this cup and handle formation looks exactly like a cup and a handle. You have the cup, okay, and you have the handle, okay? And then you got your drink right here. How do you even use this information? What is recognizing patterns all about? This is a bullish pattern. Bullish meaning that when this sucker decides to break to the upside, it's mooning to the upside. Okay? Now, how do you use this information? I'm going to show you a nice little trick that you guys can use. Identify the highest point on the cup formation. This is the highest point right here. Does this support it back here? Yes. So that means that there is a major resistance line on that zone right there. So I'm going to draw it out for you guys. That line right there is your resistance zone. Resistance. Let me write it down here. Resistance. What does that mean? Well, resistance is the roof of your house. When you walk around your house and you try to jump as high as you can, how far can you go? The roof. You're not going to be able to break above the roof of your house. That's the resistance zones when you walk. On the contrary, you have support, which is the floor you walk on. Okay. What is the support over here? What is the lowest of the lowest point over here that has support? Right there. You have 2 points touching the top and you have 3 points touching the bottom. So those 3 points on the bottom are your support line. Those 2 points on the top are your resistance lines. Okay. Again, how do you use this information to do your trades? Very simple. You have identified the resistance. You've identified the support. Now you have a range of when to buy, when to sell. Okay. Afro, big shout out to you. Thank you so much for that follow, Afro. Big shout out to you, Ash. Thank you for that follow over on the TikTok channel. Like always, thank you so much. Let me see what you guys are running on here. I will delete my comment base. That's a kick-ass name over on the TikTok channel saying, what time frame is a cup and handle? Right now in the daily charts. Okay, I always start with the daily charts on all the trades. Okay, so we start on the daily, we find momentum. Momentum right now is to the downside, so we trade at the downside. Then we figure out our resistance, our support, and then we fly. Okay. Yes, Robert, on the daily chart. On the daily chart over on some XRP action. So on the daily chart, we have a major cup and handle formation. We got resistance, we got support. Let me just make it a whole lot easier for you guys, okay? Let me check this out. You're going to like this. You're going to like this a lot. Take the highest point on the cup, drag it with your square tool, and then drag it down to your support line. So the top line is what? Resistance. Bottom line is what? Support. You take this exact same square, you copy paste it, and you place it on top. You place it on top of the previous square tool. You see it here? You see it? You got 2 squares on your cup and handle. Okay, same formation, just copy twice. Dasco, big shout out to you, Digger, for that follow, Dasco. So it gives you the support on the bottom. It gives you the resistance on the top. OG, the B, big shout out to you, Digger, for the much. Thank you so much for that follow, OBG. So it is going to give you a target price on the top, a target price on the breakout, and a target price on the support. Again, how do you use this information? Very simple. The tippity top of the second square is $1.17. Okay. The middle zone, which is the major resistance zone right now, is 73 cents. Okay. And the bottom of all this support line is 46 cents. How do you use this information? Very simple. Take these three price ranges. If you're not buying XRP, you lost your chance on XRP on all this price action. Your entry price is the bottom. Where's my brush? So if you haven't stacked up on XRP, you've never heard of it, you just want to go in and you don't know when or where, your best bet is always going to be the bottom of the support zone. Right now, that is 46 cents. Not saying that we're going to go to 46 cents, but if we wake up one morning and it's at 46 cents, I'm going to do whatever the fuck I got to do to stack up on my XRP, okay? Because I buy at 46, I sell at 17. Okay? So down here we buy, up here we sell. And this price range right here, this 73 cent mark, is my resistance zone, meaning that if we ever close above with a green candle to the top above 73, $1.17 is right around the corner. Okay, I'm saying that the target price for some XRP action is $1.17, but to get to $1.17, we got to close above 73 cents. And we're not even looking at the Fibonacci levels. We're going to do the Fibonacci's now. We're just using basic pattern recognition. We're just using the cup and handle. Okay, we're just using the cup and handle. Right now, if we draw out our Fibonacci levels, you're going to probably see that it's on the 618 on the Fibonacci levels. So if you're not in XRP, now is the time to get in on XRP. Okay, let's draw out our Fibonacci levels. Okay, let's draw out our Fibonacci levels. Let me get rid of this. How do we draw our Fibonacci levels? Very simple. We have a low, we have a high, and we have a retest of the high. So we have a shark fin formation. That shark fin formation, Data Blast, thank you so much for that follow. Big shout out to you. We draw out our Fibonacci levels. And looky here. What is XRP price doing as of right now? It is trading exactly on the 618. The 618 on the Fibonacci levels is 0.60369. Okay, so we are bouncing exactly on that zone, meaning that you're finding the support on the 618. That is best case scenario. That is exactly where you're going to want to be on any asset. Every single time you look at any Fibonacci level and that asset is trading exactly on the 618, that means that is the highest demand zone. Means that's where I want to stack up on my XRP. Okay, so we bought some more XRP at 60 cents. Okay, and it's bouncing from there. Now we need to close above the 382. So your next target price, you bought at 60. Okay, you buy at 60. You hold till 65. Oops, that's not what I want. 0.65. Okay, so you buy at 60, you hold till 65, and if this sucker decides to close above 65 cents, meaning that the base of the candle is on top of 65 cents, it's 8 o'clock at night and you look at the computer screen and the base of that candle or the next candle is above 65 cents, that means that your next target price is the negative 382. That means, man, what is happening? That means that your target price for a short-term XRP movement would be to get in at 60, hold to your 65, and let's see if it actually closes above 65, and then you take your profits at 83. That's one hell of a fucking trade right there, guys. Now, that's a fucking trade plan right there. Now, what I'm saying is that would be one hell of a great trade, but we can do better because we matched the pattern is the cup and handle. You already saw what we can do with the square tool. We doubled down, and the target price is actually $1.17, which if you look at the screen right now is almost the negative 1.618 on the Fibonacci levels. It's all right there, guys. It's all in front of you right there on the computer screen. You just got to learn how to read the charts, okay? You just got to learn how to read the charts. I'm saying we're getting to $1.17. I'm saying I got in at 60. I'm also going to get in at 55. I'm also going to get in anything below 40. Everything below 50. Okay? My target price is $1.17 for the next pumpy pump. I don't know when that is going to happen. I don't know if it is going to happen. We can go to zero by tomorrow, okay? But that's just my trading plan, okay? I got in at 60. I'm getting out at 83, but we can also get out at $1.17 if you got the cojones to hold all the way through $1.17. Okay? Let me see what you guys are writing down over here. I know I missed a few of the comments, guys. I'm sorry if I can't read all the comments, but you guys are amazing like always. Dasco, big shout out to you, Dasco, over on the TikTok channel saying, which program are you using? Brother, this program that I'm using on the computer screen right now is called TradingView, okay? TradingView.com is the one and only tool you will ever use for your technical analysis. You don't need anything else. So if you're going to spend your money on something, let it be on your learning curve using TradingView.com. If you master TradingView, you mastered all of your trades, okay? It's the only tool you need. You do your technical analysis here, and then you do your trade somewhere else, okay? Eric Greco over on the YouTube channel. What's up, Eric? Saying, do you always look at XRP USD or do you look at XRP BTC? No, I always look at XRP USD because I only trade with cash. Okay, like I trade cash to crypto, crypto to cash. I don't trade using Bitcoin as the... I don't want more Bitcoin. I want more XRP. So I use cash to buy XRP and then I trade it, okay? Using USD Tether. But I don't pair it with Bitcoin. I don't pair it with Ethereum. I don't pair it because I want to stack up on more XRP. But you can technically use the same analysis if you want to tie it to Bitcoin. If you want more Bitcoin using your XRP, do that. You want more XRP using your Bitcoin, do that. It's the same analysis. You do the exact same thing. Okay? It really all depends on what what are your goals? What do you want? Do you want more XRP? Do you want more Bitcoin? Do you want more cash? It really all depends on what you want to do. Since I want more XRP and I'm going to use cash to get it, I trade it using US dollar as the base denominator. As the denominator, okay? Cedric Nevis over on the TikTok channel saying, you just do trading? Yes, brother. This channel is 100% trading. I am dabbling a little bit of CPU mining right now because one of my friends got me into it, but this is not a mining channel at all. This is either we buy it at spot and hold it in our ledger or we trade it actively using leverage. This is a trading 100% channel. Cigars over on the YouTube channel saying, is there a link with Bitcoin and XRP? Is there a link with BTC and XRP? Meaning, can you trade one for the other? Yeah, of course you can. You can right now. If you search XRP BTC, it's going to give you all these trading pairs that you can find on all these platforms over here. You can buy XRP with Bitcoin. You can buy XRP with Ethereum. You can swap them whatever coin you want. For example, let's look at this one. This is the Binance chart with XRP/Bitcoin. If you pair it with Bitcoin, look at how different it looks like. It's going to the downside, meaning that Bitcoin is going higher than XRP. So you can use this also as another indicator for your trades because everything is tied to Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin is going up, everything goes up with it. Okay. So yeah, you can link BTC with XRP in your analysis and the other way around too. IV Mex over on the TikTok channel saying, what exchange, brother, you used? I use BitGet. Okay. I use BitGet, bitget.com as my exchange. The only problem with BitGet is that they require KYC. For some reason, I have a verified account that I had a few years ago. No, like a year ago. And I got verified and they accepted it. Even though I'm a US citizen, they accepted it. So I'm not going to say nothing. I'm going to keep using it, okay? But if you're in the States, you're not going to be able to use the KYC and you're not going to be able to use this exchange to do your trades. If you need a no KYC option, there's a very good one called BidFi, okay? BidFi is exactly like BitGet. It does the exact same thing. The only difference is you don't need KYC. If you don't need a VPN, you don't need nothing. The withdrawal limit for a no KYC account is $5,000 per day. Okay. I don't know how your situation is. If $5,000 a day is not enough for you, then we can talk about that later down the line. But if $5,000 a day is more than enough, use BidFi. You can get it in bidfi.com. Okay. They do the exact same thing. I believe another KYC, no KYC option is called BingX. BingX is another no KYC option you can use, and I believe the withdrawal limit is $50,000 a day for a no KYC. And you can also use this one. In my case, I use BitGet, but it needs KYC. Okay. Crypto Sister over on the TikTok channel saying, so if you make profit off of one, you can sell to another, right? Exactly, Crypto Sister. If you made profits on Bitcoin, you can sell the Bitcoin for XRP. And then if XRP goes up, then you made a profit. Yeah, that is exactly how the markets work. That's the game. That's the game. I only do it using USDT as the pair. So it's always linked to a dollar. Okay. So I don't care about market fluctuations when it comes to Bitcoin, because I don't look at Bitcoin when I'm trading XRP unless I want to find momentum, because everything is tied to Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin is going up, I'm going to trade XRP going to the upside. Okay. I'm not gonna go against one another. Okay. But you can absolutely take your profits on Bitcoin and buy XRP. Absolutely. This happens billions of times a day. Okay. It is absolutely doable. Peachy Keen, big shout out to you, Peachy Keen, over on the TikTok channel saying, I'm from New York. Can I use BitFi? Ooh. New York is a little, no, it's not a little. It's very anti-crypto. I got a friend who trades on New York, and he can't even use Coinbase to buy XRP because he's from New York. He can't even use Ethereum or something like that. I don't know what's happening over on Coinbase when it comes to New York, but New York is a major headache when it comes to crypto. I don't know. I don't wish that on nobody. If they have a hard time buying on Coinbase, you're going to have a bad time buying on BitFi. If I was you, I would use a VPN just in case. You can put it anywhere else in the world but New York, and then see if you can actually open up an account on BitFi. Okay, Peachy? But it wouldn't surprise me if you're having a bad time when it comes to New York, because New York is very anti-crypto. Torgovec over on the TikTok. Big shout out to you, lol. I'm long on USDT. You're long on USDT? How the hell are you longing USDT? It's always pegged to $1. I mean, sometimes it kind of depegs like 1 or 2 cents up or 1 or 2 cents down. You can take advantage of that and compound interest every time it does, if you can find it. Cedric Nevis over on the TikTok channel saying XRP and XLM to the moon. Absolutely, Cedric. You're a genius, bro. No more truer words than that, brother. Eric Greco over on the YouTube channel saying, do you think XRP has the ability to get to 20K each? I am wondering why you focus on XRP. Will it make us all millionaires? I mean, $20,000 for XRP. I mean, I'm all for being the moon boy when it comes to XRP. I don't have the emotional or mental capacity or maturity to hold on to my XRP all the way up to $20,000 per XRP. No. It can happen. Absolutely. Everything is possible. Crypto hasn't surprised me. No, crypto surprises me every goddamn day. But $20,000 XRP? Brother, what color you want your Bugatti? I'll get you a Bugatti. Everybody here, I'll give you a fucking Bugatti if we get to $20,000. There's just not enough money in the world to get XRP all the way up to $20,000, bro. My target price for XRP is anything between $5 and $11. That's more realistic right there. Okay? And maybe even $40. That would be like on the ridiculous side. But $20,000 per XRP? I'd be surprised. I'd be surprised. Absolutely. It's beyond anything of my expectations, okay? Beyond my expectations. Cigars over on the YouTube channel saying, I'm new to all of this, so still learning, and it's getting annoying that XRP ain't really moving. Oof. Then I wouldn't be in crypto if I was you. If it annoys you that XRP is not going anywhere, bro, you should have been here back in 2017. That fucker was trading at 25 cents the whole year. 25 cents the whole year. Nothing happened. Nothing happened. And guess what? What happened in December? In January in the next year, it went to $3.40. So if you guys sold that 25 cent XRP and then it went up to $3, that would annoy the absolute fuck out of you, bro. So if it annoys you that it's stuck at 60 cents, nah, bro. You don't have the cojones yet, bro. You still got a lot to learn, okay? You still got a lot to learn. You don't know what patience even means when it comes to XRP. Because XRP, I don't know why, but XRP, whenever XRP decides to pump, it fucking pumps. I don't know. I love XRP. I fucking love XRP. Angry, big shout out to you. Thank you for that follow over on the TikTok channel. So guys, my plan for some XRP action, $60, pfft, I wish, 60 cents to getting in on some XRP, holding till 65. If it breaks above 65, 83 cents is my take profit on XRP on this trade right here. Okay, guys? Uber guy over on the TikTok channel saying XRP at 5.89. That's actually one hell of a great target price for some XRP. $5.89. Yeah, that's highly doable. That's highly possible, okay? 589 is a little bit off my mental capacity. Getty, big shout out to you. Thank you for that follow. Andrew, big shout out to you. Thank you for that follow over on the TikTok. Just saying. I don't think it's I don't know. $589 is too much. $5 is more than enough. For me at least. $5 is life-changing for me. But then again, $10,000 is life-changing for me. I don't have that much money. I'm just a crazy dude driving Uber. I drive Uber now, so, and buy some XRP. Draco77 saying, did you say XRP to 43 cents? It's possible it can go to 43 cents. Now, I got to give you the other side of this coin also. This is best case scenario, $1.17 for XRP. But what if it decides to go the other way around? You got to be prepared if it goes down also. So if this fucker decides to go back down, then we got to redo our Fibonacci levels. So let's draw out our Fibonacci levels again, one more time. Okay. And then we draw the Fibonacci levels to the way down. So we take it to the top, we drag it to the 618, and it's going to give you your next prices to the way down. This is the worst case scenario. I gave you the best at $1.17. This is the worst case scenario, the other side of the coin. You got to be prepared for both sides because you just never know. Everything can happen, Everything can happen. So on the way down, if this fucker decides to dump the 618, you got it at 60. What's your next leg down? Your next leg down is 0.55962 and 0.53440. Okay? And your worst case scenario, remember that the best case scenario is $1.17. Your worst case scenario on the way down is 0.43955. So what do you do with this information? Okay, you get in at 60. It dumped. It didn't go your way. It's okay because we have other target prices on the way down. We got it at 55, we got it at 53, and we got it at 43. Okay, so I have 4 limit buy orders on the way down, 25% of my purchasing power on each and every one of them. Not saying that you should do that, but it's just how I'm doing it. I bought 25% at 60, 25% at 55, 25% at 53, and 25% at 43. So I'm always dollar cost averaging on the way down. Okay, that's the best way that you can trade, in the sense that has low risk, low reward, but it's while you're starting out how to learn how to trade. Okay, giving you the basics. If you have no idea what you're doing, that would be one hell of a great trading plan right there, so you can minimize the risk as much as possible. You buy your XRP and you hold on to it till it reaches all the way up to $1.17, which is our target price on the way up. Okay. So big shout out for everybody here, guys. Uber guy, thank you so much for those glasses. Thank you so much. Highly appreciate you guys like always. Big shout out for everybody here, guys. Make sure that you smash that like button, guys, if you haven't already. Follow and subscribe from whatever platform you're looking on me at. I'm streaming on every single platform out there, guys. I'm on YouTube, I'm on TikTok, I'm on Twitch, I'm all over the place, guys. So no reason why not to get my price ranges on all these coins, guys, okay? Cedric Nevis over on the TikTok channel saying real utility will survive. Facts, bro. Cedric, you the man, Cedric. You got this on lockdown. Nauman Afridi, big shout out to you, Nauman. How much XRP is there today, if I may ask, please? How much XRP? What do you mean by how much XRP is there today? A bunch. I don't know what you're talking about. Crypto Crazy over on the TikTok channel saying, how long have you been trading? I have been a financial analyst my entire life, brother. I used to do it for a big ass cable company a long time ago. And then one day I decided, you know what? If I'm going to do it for somebody else, why not just do it for myself? So I learned how to do the trades myself, and I've been trading ever since. I've been doing this for learning how to trade for almost 15 years. Yeah, my whole life. When it comes to crypto, I started my crypto journey back in 2017. But it's the same thing. Whether you do stocks, forex, or commodities, it doesn't matter. The analysis is the exact same way. But when it comes to crypto, volatility is key. Volatility in crypto is crazy. We got these markets upswings and downswings, and it's not for the faint of heart. Not for the faint of heart. But I love crypto. I ain't going nowhere, man. Crypto, I'm here to stay. To Kaz, big shout out to you. Thank you for that follow over. Lucas over on the TikTok. Never Lonely over on the TikTok channel saying, and 42 billion are in escrow. That X amount released the start of every month. Yes. Every month XRP releases 1 billion out of escrow. Yes, that is true. And we got 42 more months to go. Moving on to some Cardano action. What is Cardano doing, guys? Cardano, the exact same scenario from the previous live stream, guys. Nothing has changed from my Cardano holdings. I'm going to stack up on more Cardano on these price ranges over here at 33 cents, 31 cents, and 29 cents. And worst case scenario, 26 cents. Okay, let me write it down so it doesn't confuse you. Just so you can see it. 31 cents. 0.30, what was it? 33 and 0.31. These are my price ranges for some Cardano action, guys. So if you want to stack up on your Cardano, take a screenshot of this. If you want to trade it like that, not financial advice, you do whatever the fuck you want to do. But I'm going to start stacking up on my Cardano at these price ranges over here, 33, 31, 29, and 26. Not saying that we're going to go all the way down here, but if we are, that's where I'm going to start stacking up. Okay, guys? Chris, big shout out to you. Thank you for that follow on the TikTok channel, like always. Cigars over on the YouTube channel saying in November, XRP glitched to 3.5 million. It was crazy. Bro, if we wake up one morning and XRP is at 3.5 million, I'm sorry, but I'm going to disappear. I'm going to be done with the world, bro. You can catch me on a fucking island somewhere and that hasn't even been discovered. That's how far I'm going to go. That's how far I'm going to go. $3.5 million heartbeat. Come on, man. That's no. Ain't gonna happen, bro. Ain't gonna happen. If it's gonna happen, I'm not gonna be alive. That's gonna be way down the line. Cigar saying, and it was in my balance. I'm pretty sure you passed the fuck out. If I wake up one morning and it's my wallet says 3.5 million, I'm gonna fucking die. Like, done. I'm done. Never in my life have I seen that much money for me. All right, so Cardano, that is my plan for some Cardano action, guys. Start stacking up at 33, 31, 29, and 26. Moving on to my other beautiful baby girl, XLM. Always remember that if XRP does one thing, XLM is going to do the exact same thing. Remember that they are tied by the hip. Well, what happens to one happens to the other. I don't know why, but it's just how it is. Okay, guys? So as of right now, XLM playing out exactly how I predicted over on the previous live streams, guys. So we caught some XLM at 113382. Okay, that was my first limit buy order on XLM. That's the 618 on the XLM, and it's right here. It hit it right there. Okay, so we stack up on some XLM. We got the bearish signal right over here, and we have the cross on the RSI. This tells me that XLM has a huge probability that it is going to go down. Now, always remember that it's going to go down if Bitcoin decides to go down with it. Okay, everything is tied to Bitcoin. But XLM looking a little fishy to the downside. You do whatever you want to do with this information. It could bounce from here and there's all this bullshit right here, and it just gets me. But it looking kind of saucy to the downside, XLM. Be on the lookout. These are my entry prices: 113382, 106169, and 101860 as the worst case scenario. Okay, as the worst case scenario. XLM looking really saucy to the downside. That is beautiful to see, because that just means that I'm going to get more XLM. Simple as that. I like to see these bearish signals. I just stack up on more XLM, guys. Those are my target prices to getting in on some XLM action. Moving on to some Matic, Faphatic, Polygon Matic. So when it comes to Matic reached exactly my target price over here. Okay, this was from previous live streams. If you guys want to see that, go ahead and check out all of my streams over on my YouTube channel. You can always see all of my entry prices from day one. It reached exactly my target price. So we got out of Matic on that stream. Okay, we got out of Matic because this Fibonacci already played out. Now we got to move on. We got to reset the Fibonacci levels and figure it out all over again. In other words, do we have a low? Do we have a high? And do we have a retracement of that high? Yes, we do. So we have a shark fin formation. That shark fin formation translates into what? The Fibonacci levels. So let's draw out our Fibonacci levels and whoop-de-doo, look at what is happening right here. It is bouncing on exactly the 618 on the Fibonacci levels. So that is the highest demand zone right there. You got your support line. So when do you want to stack up on your Matic? At 72.5. It's trading at 74.94. So we might get that 72.5 once again. Okay? Just saying. 72.5 is my target price to getting in on some Matic. Oh, give me a second, guys. It's my brother. My brother never calls me. Sorry about that, guys. So my entry price for some Matic action is 72.5. Okay, 725. If this fucker decides to dump from here, let's draw out our another Fibonacci levels to figure out what are my target prices on the way down. So if it decides to break the 618 on the downside, my target price is 0.646 and 0.6015. So anything between 60 cents and 72 cents is my buy action for Matic. Okay. So if you guys want to trade Matic, that's your best price ranges right over there. 72, the highest and the best. But if it decides to dump from there, 64 and 60. Okay. Jason. Thank you so much for that follow over on the TikTok channel. Cedric Neves, BBVA. What do you mean? Oh, that's a coin you want to look at. BBVA. Yeah, we can talk about BBVA. What is that? I've never heard about that coin. What is BBVA? LJ, big shout out to you, LJ. You the man. No, you the man, LJ. How you doing, brother? B Alpha wants to talk about some aimbot. Oh, I remember aimbot. Aimbot is making a killing, wasn't it? Yeah, I believe that aimbot was doing some upwards movement. I don't remember the last time we saw it, but yeah, we can talk about some aimbot. El Nasdaqero, big shout out to you. Hi, man, I'm new here. Brother, you're in the right place, bro. Hey, welcome. You're in the right community, brother. We're all brothers and sisters here. We take care of each other. We look at the markets. We go in, we go out. We figure out, we're going to go up, are we going to go down? You're in the right place, brother. Big D, big shout out to you. Thank you so much for those donuts, brother. Thank you. Highly appreciate it. Thank you so much. Gurung. These names are awesome. Gurung over on the TikTok channel saying, should I buy now or wait? Which coin are you looking at, brother? Let me know the coin that you want to look at, and I'll tell you if it's in the buy zone or the sell zone. 20 for my brother from another mother over on the TikTok channel saying CTI. You want to look at some CTI? Yeah, we can look at some CTI. CTI. Dracos77 over on the TikTok channel saying comp. You want to look at comp? Yeah, we can look at some comp. Chris over on the TikTok channel saying, can you please explain why you start drawing the fib from center, not the lowest point? Well, whenever we get a higher low, that's the starting point for my Fibonacci analysis. So for example, let me give you this example right over here. You always go in and look at the charts and you look at where is the lowest low and the highest high. What does that mean? It means that I'm going to look at these zones right here. These are the lowest lows, and this is the highest high after that low. Okay, I always identify those two things first. After, let's pretend that this hasn't happened yet. Okay, we haven't even looked at this yet. This is a low, and this is a high. Okay, after we get a high, we always get a pullback because nothing goes up forever. There's going to be pullbacks, right? So when is that red candle happening? Right here. Okay. Let me zoom in so it makes it easier for you guys. Okay. So we have a low. We have a low point. This is the low point. And we have a high. This is the high point. And then we have a retracement of that high, right? We have a sort of like a curvature back down. That is a higher low because this low now became this low. After that, after we get a low, what do we get? A higher high. We got another swing to the upside. So now we have a higher high. This point over here is your higher high because this high point became this high point. And this new higher low is my starting point to figure out what is the next higher low. So we're always, whenever you see the charts going higher high, higher high, higher high, higher low, higher low, higher low, that just means that the upswing prices is on an upswing. It's going up. It's reversing. It's going to the upside. So you should be long biased on all of your trades. You're always got to try to look for going in on long positions because we got higher highs, higher highs, higher highs, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. That could be a kick-ass song right there. So my starting point for my Fibonacci levels is always going to be the previous highest low. I know it's confusing as hell, but repetition is the mother of skill. Repetition is the mother of skill. do it over and over and over again, and it's going to become second nature to you. So this is the highest low, okay, before this one. Okay. We have another lower low over here, but I'm not going to pay attention to that one until we play out this shark fin formation. All that it gives me is a shark fin formation, this triangular formation right over here. That is what I'm looking for when I'm doing the Fibonacci levels, okay? We have that one. We also have this one. We can do this one. Of course we can. And you can drag out your Fibonacci levels to those levels. You can do it. Of course you can. I'm just thinking that there is a better, more precise when you use the most accurate in the moment data. I don't know if that explains what I'm trying to say. Okay. So my Fibonacci level starts in the highest low row right here. And then I drag it to the highest high over there. And then you're going to see that this pattern plays out beautifully. It is finding the support on the 618. So when do you want to get in? At the 618. Can it break the 618 to the downside? Of course you can. So you draw out your Fibonacci the other way around from the highest to the lowest. And it's going to give you the 382, the negative 382, and the negative 618. Those two zones are your best bet to getting in on some Matic if it breaks to the downside on the Fibonacci level of the 618. I know that this is confusing as hell. You can rewatch this video as many times as you want. It's on my YouTube channel. You can rewatch it a billion times. But once you get the hang of it, of dominating this Fibonacci level, your trading is going to go bazonkers mode. And we're only using the Fibonacci levels. You don't see me looking at 155,000 indicators at the same time. No, we're just using the Fibonacci levels. Master that first before you do anything else, guys. Okay, follow that first. As for Poison, big shout out to you. Thank you so much for that follow. Head Crack, thank you so much for the follow, brother. User 64, thank you so much for that follow. Thank you so much, guys. You guys are amazing like always. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. You guys are awesome. User 64, thank you so much for that follow, brother. TZ Mike, big shout out to you. Thank you for that follow over on the TikTok channel. Ray over on the Twitch channel saying, hope all is well with your bro. Has he dropped any music though? Yes, he did drop a new music video on Halloween. Make sure that you check out his YouTube channel. His YouTube channel is DZitro. You can go ahead and head on over to YouTube and look for him. He's got great music. If you guys like reggaeton and a whole new thing, his name is DZitro over on the YouTubes. This guy right here. He got great music. That's my brother right over there. My brother from the same mother and father. You can check out his music, guys. Big shout out to my bro. And yes, I am in the music video, so you guys can go ahead and check those out and show the love. See if you can find me on the YouTube, on the videos. Jarrett, thank you so much for that follow. Big shout out to you over on the TikTok channels. Blockchain Gold over on the TikTok wants to talk about AIOZ. What is AIOZ? AIOZ. Is that an AI? Is that an AI coin? Because if it's an AI coin, it's a yes for me. Scott Davis, thank you so much for that follow, brother. Thank you so much. Chris, okay, got it. Basically, you gonna get most recent cycle fib. Thanks for the explanation. Yes, Chris. You always start with the most recent cycle fib. Okay, recent cycle fib. Then later down the line, once you start mastering the Fibonacci level, it sort of becomes second nature to you. You don't even have to draw it out. But once you're there, then you start drawing a much more longer timeline, more long-term thinking Fibonacci levels. Okay, that's why I say that my target price for XRP is $5, because the long-term Fibonacci level, the negative 382, is the $5 mark. Okay. We didn't get that on the previous bull cycle because of the goddamn lawsuit. We're probably going to get it on this one. So don't sleep on that beast, brother. I know that you've seen it a bajillion times everywhere on TikTok, on YouTube, and all over the place. There's a reason for it, okay? It's not because I just want you to buy XRP. No, I'm stacking up on my XRP. You do whatever the hell you want to do. But it's because I see it on the Fibonacci levels. It's based on math, on data, historical data. That's all I have. I don't have anything else. I don't have a time machine. I don't know what the fuck the prices are going to do. I'm just thinking, using the Fibonacci levels, using the algorithm, that the target price is $5.89. And maybe even $11 if we go all the way through the negative 618 on the Fibonacci levels. Okay? That's all I got. That's all I got. It's not a hunch. It's not a maybe if. No. It's based on math. Okay? Moving on to some GBEX. GBEX. Globiance Exchange. GBEX. You guys wanted to talk about some GBEX. Let me look at this coin. What the hell is this coin? Holy shit, look at that dump right there. This must have been market manipulation. I'm not even going to pay attention to that dumpy dump right over there, guys. So whoever brought this coin, GBEX, never heard about this coin. What the hell does this coin even do? I don't even know. GBEX is a bottom coin. GBEX has zero. I have zero hope that this coin is going to make me money. But if I was going to get in on this coin, you buy it at the bottom zone. In other words, if this coin dumps from here, your target price to getting in on some GBEX is 547. Plus all those zeros that are there. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. This probably has like a bajillion, quadrillion in supply. I don't even know. I've never even heard about this coin. But your target price to getting in on some GBEX is 547. 0.0000547. Bottom coin. Get it at the bottom. And then you hold it till the next bull cycle. Because everything pumps on the bull cycle. You hold it now and you hold it all. You buy it now, you hold it all the way through 2025. You cross your fingers like this and you get on your knees and you start praying that this fucker actually pumps from here. But I have zero hope on this type of coins, okay? Moving on to some Sidus. Sidus. What is Sidus coin? Holy shit! Yo, what? What is this coin? What? Wait a minute. Give me a second, guys. I wasn't prepared for this. This coin pumped 1,300% in a month. What? What the hell does this coin even do? Holy shit. I mean, god damn, that is beautiful to see. And you know what pisses me the most off? That I'm not looking at these coins. God damn it, this is what happens when you marry somebody. You don't look to the side and you have a hot girl next door. God damn it. We got the bullish signal and we got the cross on the RSI. We had no excuse not to stack up on this coin. No excuse. My only excuse is that I wasn't looking at it. God damn. Sucks. This sucks ass, guys. This hurts my feelings. Sidus is pumping. Hooray. Congratulations to anybody who bought Sidus. The person who bought this today, hooray to you. Good for you, brother. Good for you. But I was not looking at this coin. Man. I mean, let me a little bit of research. Let me see what does this coin even do? Sidus. Sidus has 29 billion in supply. You can get it on all these exchanges right over here. Sidus Heroes is a pioneering Web3 space-based gaming metaverse. It's a gaming coin. I knew I should have gotten in on this fucking coin. That is frustrating as hell right there. It's a metaverse gaming coin offering interstellar exploration and conquest. Powered by AI technology, the metaverse features multiple game studios, unified lore books, and a common economy across all its titles. Yo, I'm going to put a little asterisk next to Cirrus, because I want to go in, not because of the coin, but because of the game. It sounds kind of interesting. Cetus Heroes utilizes a cross-platform approach, enabling seamless progress transference between all its high-quality gaming products. It's a utility token. Yeah, it's a utility token for the game. It's a gaming coin. Man, how much would it cost me? If I got 100,000 of this coin, how much would it cost me? It'll cost me $800 to buy 100,000 of this coin. Doesn't sound so bad. Doesn't sound so bad at all. I wish I had my fucking KuCoin account back. I'm waiting on that Palau ID so I can get my KuCoin account back. But yeah, the plan here, buy 100,000 of this coin and hold it for the next bull cycle. But let me tell you right now, it's one hell of a fucking FOMO. It's a hell of my FOMO, you know? I'm feeling the FOMO, guys. Whew. You gotta love it, guys. You gotta fucking love it. Okay, guys, so for the Fibonacci levels, do we have any pullbacks? Yes, we have one right here. We have a bouncy bounce. So the Fibonacci level starts from there. Drag it all the way to the upside. Bellum Holmes over on the TikTok. Thank you so much for that follow, brother. Thank you so much. So the entry price for some CDUs, if this fucker decides to drop from here, I don't see the money flow coming back down. So don't pay attention to me on this one. It's 2119, but I don't see it happening anytime soon, okay? There's a lot of FOMO, a lot of money flow. I don't know. It's not the time to go in. It's the time to let it sit, let it simmer, let it do its thing. But it is breaking above the 382. This fucker could go all the way up to 2 cents. God damn. God damn. God damn. FOMO is real, guys. The FOMO is real. Big shout out to Alexander Kalina over on the TikTok. Thank you so much for the follow. Wow. Guys, target price 0.022714. 2 cents, brother. 2 cents. Wow. And you get it? Wow. I don't. No. Don't do it, Crypto Sensei. Don't do it. No. Let's chill, guys. Let's chill for a second. Serious. Let's keep it on the. I'll put a little asterisk. Let me keep an eye out on this. I'll put it on my favorites because I'm going to look at it. I'm going to keep an eye out on it, guys. Okay. Frankie Beans, thank you so much for that follow, guys. Renee, big shout out to you, Renee. Thank you for that follow. Crypto Sister over on the TikTok channel saying, what's 2 cents? I missed that. Well, some dude over here on the TikTok brought this coin. It's called SIDUS, SIDUS. It's a gaming metaverse coin that pumped 1,300% in 1 month. And it has the potential to go all the way up to 2 cents, and it's less than a cent right now. So, yeah. I don't know what you guys want to do with this information, but god damn. Keep it coming, guys. Keep it coming. Keep it coming, please. Blockchain Gold over on the TikTok channel saying tempting, but I'll pass. Yeah, me too. I'm going to keep an eye out on it because I like gaming coins, but that's just more of a personal preference, not because of what I'm looking on the screen. I'm too late for this coin. We should have bought it a lot. We should have, could have, would have. You know, we're not going to go there. But it's a gaming metaverse coin, and I want to get in on gaming metaverse coins for the next bull cycle. So 2024 for me is going to be gaming coins, metaverse coins, AI coins, and ISO 20022 coins. Okay, for the next bull cycle, 2025. Tien, big shout out to you. Thank you so much for that follow over on the TikTok channel, Sal. Jono Kenyon over on the YouTube channel saying, I was big on XRP, but sold at its local top around the lawsuit victory. Too much insider selling going on for me. Yeah, the price of XRP is highly manipulated and suppressed. Absolutely. Yes, it is. Ain't nobody gonna tell me otherwise. Yes, it is. Tyrese Morley, hi, on the YouTube channel. Big shout out to you, Tyrese, saying, hi, where do I start learning about crypto from you, sir? All the way from South Africa. Big shout out to my brothers and sisters over on South Africa. Hope you're all having a fantastic day. I'm all over the world, guys. I'm worldwide. Tyrese, I don't personally have any courses or anything whatsoever. I try to stream here every day at 5 p.m. Eastern. You can come over and ask away. I don't have a course. I don't think I'm ever going to do a course or anything like that, or charge for anything. I don't know. This is just me recording my journey on YouTube. And I do have some techniques, some strategies that I use that I've sort of figured out along the way. But I don't want to charge for anything like that. Just come over and say hi. We'll ask away. Whatever you want to learn, I'll teach you. It's not that difficult. I've just always been very oriented towards that information should be free. You know, learning should be free. Knowledge is power, and it should be free. So just come over and say hi and ask away. Wherever you want to ask away, go ahead and ask it, and I'll do my best to teach you how to do what I do. 8-bit over on the YouTube channel saying, look up Lake and MTRM. Where's my pen? Lake and MTRM and RSC and Gene. Interesting. Never heard about none of those coins. All right, moving on to some aimbot. You guys wanted to talk about some aimbot action, and I know that aimbot was doing good the last time we looked at it. Ooh, yes. Yes. So aimbot. God damn. We got in at aimbot at $6.31, right? I don't remember when we did this live stream, but I told you guys the entry price was $6.31, and it hit it. It hit it exactly. Look at it right there. $6.31. Oh, man. Then the second rule is that it needs to close above the 382. It found the support on the 618. Second rule, it needs to close above $9.89. It's trading at $15 right now, $14.50. That means that aimbot has a huge probability that it is going to reach $42 for the next bull cycle. Okay? $42 for the next bull cycle. We got in at 6. We're going to get out at 42. That trade is going to bank us with no leverage. This is just me buying on the spot. 576%. Not financial advice. Not too bad. Not too bad, bro. For aimbot. Yes, brother, we got in on aimbot. We were holding on to some aimbot action, and we bought it, and we're going to sell it at 42. And it's playing out exactly how I told you guys. It needed to close above $9.89. It did. Now we're at $14, and now we're heading over to $42.43. That's when I'm going to start taking my profits. Okay, guys? $42.43. The next leg up, if it keeps pumping from there, is $66. But I don't like taking profits on the negative 618. I like to take profits on the negative 382. Albert, big shout out to you. Thank you so much for that follow. So, you know, Ordinary Revolution, big shout out to you. Thank you so much for those roses, brother. Thank you for the appreciation. Thank you so much. Thank you for the support, like always. 8-bit over on the YouTube channel saying most of them are decentralized science plays, which is started to build a narrative. And MTRM is a MMO crypto game. I love MMO crypto games with a super low market cap. Well, we'll look at it, brother. Don't worry about it. DGR over on the TikTok channel saying, what charting platform are you using? I use TradingView, guys. TradingView. TradingView.com. Affiliate link below. TradingView.com, that is the one and only tool you will ever use for your learning curve when it comes to trading and learning how to trade and learning how to read the charts. Okay? TradingView.com. Payne, big shout out to you. Thank you so much for the share, brother. Guys, if I'm missing any one of your gifts, I'm sorry. I'm using the software and I don't actually see when you guys send me the gifts or the thing. So if I'm missing anybody for the shout outs, I do apologize. I've never had 92 people looking on me on a live stream. That's amazing. And I could have not done it without you guys. Thank you so much, guys. Make sure that you smash that like button. You guys are amazing like always. Like always. Very Dark Boy, kick-ass name over on the TikTok, saying advise me on my ANC token, please, from Nigeria. Big shout out to my brothers and sisters over in Nigeria. I hope you guys are having a fantastic time over there in Nigeria. You want to look at some ANC token? Yeah, we can look at some ANC token, of course. Let me write it down over here. A and Z. No, A and Z with a C, with a C. Files del Putel over on the TikTok channel saying he's talking to Live and Learn, but it is Forex. I only have knowledge on Forex, not really on crypto. Well, you can use the same knowledge you have on Forex and take it over to crypto. Always remember that crypto is highly volatile. Things happen so quick on crypto. Forex is regulated, so movements are sort of predictable, sort of like stocks. Stocks are also very predictable when it comes to analysis. But crypto shit happens while you're sleeping. If you're not looking at the screen 24 hours a day, you can miss it. You can miss it. But you can use the same analysis. Just take it over to crypto. And then you tweak it to yourselves, you know? I did the same thing. I took my knowledge from stocks and I took it over to crypto. And then I made it myself. I made it mine. My own type of analysis. Tanya over on the TikTok channel saying, you rock. No, you rock, Tanya. Big shout out to you, Tanya. Carter Shelton over on the TikTok channel saying thoughts on LCX. LCX. Let's write it down over here. LCX. Files over on the TikTok channel saying today movement gold was crazy on Forex. Gold? If I was going to buy gold, I would buy gold, like physical gold. I'm all for buying the physical gold, putting it in a safe somewhere. I've always wanted to. I've always wanted to hold like gold bricks in myself, just in case shit hits the fan. You never know. What if we have an apocalyptic scenario and I actually survive it? We're gonna live off gold. We're not gonna live off cash, that's for sure. We're gonna live off gold. King Singh over on the TikTok channel saying, will XRP go up? Absolutely, bro. It's just a matter of time. Don't worry about that. Luis, big shout out to you. Thank you so much for that follow. Robert Walker, thank you so much for the roses, brother. Thank you like always. Thank you for the appreciation. Easy P over on the TikTok channel saying, what is going to happen with XRP in 2030? Something about Stellar, I'm not too informed. 2030? Bro, I don't even know if I'm going to be alive at 2030. That's 17 years from no, that's 7 years from now. 17 years. I'm doing my math. It's crazy. I don't even know how to do math. Eduardo, big shout out to you. Thank you for that follow, bro. Little Joe, big shout out to you. Thank you for that share, brother. King Singh is saying over on the TikTok, is 16,070 XRP, 16,000 XRP enough? Brother, don't tell me how much XRP you have. I don't need to know. But that's a hefty bag right there, brother. You do what you got to do. Completely up to you, bro. So, guys, let's move on to a little bit of CTI action. CTI. What is Clintex? Clintex. Ooh, we did this one on the previous live stream. Let me not move this so you can, because let me see. On the previous live stream, we talked about this one. When did we go in on this one? We went in. Okay, so you know what? I'm going to start it over again because I don't remember doing this analysis. So when it comes to CL, oh, now I see it. Because we did it from all the way over here. Yeah, that's why. We did it from all the way over here. Because I remember now. We did it all the way from over here. So we were trading it from all the way over here since there. And we broke below the 618 on that Fibonacci. So we had to redraw the Fibonacci on the downside. Yes. Let me do that one more time. Okay. So on CLI, on Clintex, we reached exactly my shorting zone on the Fibonacci level. You see how it wicked it and then it came back down? Because when it comes to the reverse Fibonacci level, which is this level up here, when you draw the Fibonacci from dragging it up down, that yellow zone is your shorting zone. That means that that's the highest liquidity zone on the top. All this liquidity over here becomes resistance, okay? Wait, you guys can't see it. There we go. All this liquidity zone becomes resistance. So it wicked it and it came back down. So if you would have shorted it right there, you would have been in profits right now. So my entry price for Clintex is all the way down here. Let me put it over here. 0.008149. Okay. That is my entry price for Clintex. Less than a cent. It's trading at 3 cents right now. We might not even go there at all. Okay. We might not even go there at all. But if it does, I'm locked and ready to go. Dennis, big shout out to you. Thank you so much for that follow, Dennis. 8-bit tendies over on the YouTube channel saying, if you could use only 3 indicators, what would they be? Very simple question, my man. I only have 2 indicators that I use. 2 indicators that I use, and those indicators are Trader XO. Trader XO by BTC Charlie. Okay, it gives you very simple moving average triggers. You don't have to have 5 indicators to give you moving averages. It just only has 1, and it already gives you the trigger of when those moving averages cross each other. So we got Trader XO, and we have the RSI. Now this RSI is one that I made myself. This is not the traditional RSI that you find on TradingView. Okay. This RSI, I made it myself using the traditional RSI, but with help from the AI, from ChatGPT. Between me and ChatGPT, I put in some inputs, and it came out this RSI down here. And this RSI is a complement of the Trader XO indicator that I have over here. Let me get rid of this so it doesn't confuse you. For example, how do I use this indicator? Very, very simple. So whenever we get a bullish signal like this one, you see that it says bullish, bull. I need to come back down to the RSI. And if the purple is crossing the yellow to the upside, I got the bullish signal, and the purple is crossing the yellow to the upside, that is upwards movement. So I am longing that scenario. Okay. The same way, the other way around. If the purple is crossing the yellow to the downside, and I get a bearish signal, which is this signal right over here, I short that scenario. So you short when you get a bearish and a cross, and you long when you get a bullish and a cross. Doing a back test on this, I'm gonna leave that to you guys when you do it yourselves. You can go ahead and do the back test on you, but it is going to surprise the absolute fuck out of you when it comes to these two indicators. Those are the only 2 indicators that I use. I don't put much faith on indicators out there. They're all lagging indicators. They happen after the fact, and then you miss it. But at least with this one, it gives you momentum when it comes to the daily chart, and you just trade in favor of the daily chart on those momentums right there. So those are my 2 indicators that I use on my TradingView. Moving on to some XDC. XDC mainnet. Whew. This was from previous live streams. What the hell? Oh, I was talking about, yeah. I remember now. So when it comes to XDC, we have a low, we have a high, and we have a pullback on the high. So we have a shark fin formation. That shark fin formation translates into what? The Fibonacci levels. And look at what the price is doing as of right now. So As of right now, today, this moment in history and time, and now it is trading exactly on the 618 on the Fibonacci level. So if you're on the fence, should I buy some XDC right now? It's on the Fibonacci level 618. Okay, it's on the Fibonacci levels on the 618. I would be buying it right now if I didn't already. I would be buying it right now. It's on the 618 on the Fibonacci levels. We do, however, have a bearish signal. We have a bearish signal, and we have a cross to the downside on the RSI. So that just tells me that there is power to the downside. And it is struggling for dear life to break through the 618. But since the 618 is the highest demand zone, Bulldog Gangling, big shout out to my brother from another mother. Bulldog, how you doing, brother? I identify as a Fibonacci level. Bro, that's gonna be my next hat. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna identify as a Fibonacci level, and then I put a Fibonacci level here. That'd be crazy, bro. I'm gonna do that. You gave me that idea. Hell yeah. Bulldog, you're hilarious. James, big shout out to you. Thank you for that follow. Ramiro Torres, thank you so much for that follow, like always. So guys, when it comes to XDC, looking real juicy like the girl next door, very flirtatious, and I just want some more. XDC primed and locked and loaded to stack up on some XDC. Absolutely. Absolutely. XDC has a huge potential to close above 14 cents. It's at 4 cents right now. Hell yeah. XDC is a go for me. Let me put a little asterisk on that one. You guys brought it over here, XDC. Because if it goes lower than that, I'm stacking up on my XDC. Absolutely. Moving on to some AIOZ. What is AIOZ? Ooh. Whoa. Jesus, what is AIOZ? Let me see what AIOZ even do. AIOZ network. It is trading at 9 cents. It has 1 billion in supply, 1.055 in supply. Circulating supply is it pretty much has everything in circulating supply. You can get it on Coinbase, KuCoin, great. That's wonderful. Let me see what it does. AIOC network is a distributed CDN built on our very own blockchain. An IOC network uses shared redundant memory storage and bandwidth with CDN capable. Blah, blah, blah. To better understand this, imagine that you're watching a video on your phone. Today, that video streams from a content delivery network. A CDN is a system of servers. Blah 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 blah. Okay. I don't know what the fuck that means, but okay. So when it comes to AIOZ, let's zoom in and let's figure it out. So AIOZ, we have a low, we have a high, and we're going to pretend that we're going to get a reversal of that high. No, actually, no. Wait, yeah, the reversal is here. The reversal is here. So we're going to pretend that we got that reversal, and we're going to draw out our Fibonacci levels. So my entry price for some AIOZ action is 0.02592. Not saying that we're going to go to 2 cents. It's trading at 9 cents, and the money flow is to the upside. This could actually close above. If this closes above 0.08823 by tonight at 8 p.m. and I want to look at the next candle. I don't think that it is going to close above. No, it's not going to close above because this is a... No, it's not going to close above because this is a hike in a she and it's going to open from the middle. It's not going to close above 0.0882, but we're going to keep an eye out on it because if it doesn't, that means that it's going to come back down, okay? More power to the downside on AIOZ. Okay, AIOZ is power to the downside even though money flow is curving up. I would give it some time, let it do its thing because it's in a weird zone right now. AIOZ, it's not today is not the day. Today is not the day. Let it simmer, let it ripple, let it do its thing, and we'll come back to it next week, okay? We'll look at it. We'll look at it back again tomorrow, okay? But today, right now, it is not the time to get in on AIOZ. But I want to. Danny, big shout out to you over on the TikTok. Hi, how you doing, brother? It's all good, all good. You know how it is, just chilling like a villain. D-Lock36 over on the YouTube channel saying, my man. Thanks. No, you the man, bro. Moving on to some comp. You wanted to talk about some comp action. What is compound? Compound. Yo, I'm getting hungry, bro. Are you hungry, guys? I'm fucking hungry. Comp. Can we trade it on KuCoins? Compound, yes. Let's go to KuCoins. All right. Let's see. Compound. I think we found that support. I mean, we got a low, we got a high, we got a retracement. All right, so compound found the support on the 618, tried to break above the 382, it couldn't, came back down. We need to close above the 382 for this fucker to go to $100, 52.42. My target price to break above is 52.42. In other words, you need to look at this screen at comp and make sure that the base of the candle is on top of 52.42. If the base of the candle is not on top of 52.42, it's going to come back down to retest the Fibonacci levels at the fire sale zone, okay? That's the 0.5 and the 618. So your entry prices to getting in on some comp is 44.97 and 38.58. So we get in at 44, we get in at 38, we wait for 52. If it closes above 52, my target price for comp is $141. We get in at 38, we get out at 141. We retest, we reset the Fibonacci levels, we go back in and we rinse and repeat. Rinse and repeat. But it needs to close above 52 for me to be bullish at 141, okay? Anthony, big shout out to you. Thank you for that follow, Anthony. Chapulín, big shout out to my brother from another mother, Chapulín. How you doing, brother? It's all good, all good. You know how it is, just chilling like a villain, taking it easy, guys. Thank you so much for your time, brothers. You guys are amazing. I've never had 100 people looking at me at once. That is crazy, guys. Remember, guys, that all of my live streams are all being recorded and they are available in my YouTube channel. So if you guys want to head on over to my YouTube channel, link in my bio, you can find it and you can rewatch all of the live streams and you can relearn everything that I've taught and you can see all of my trades when I go in and when I get out, okay? Everything is in my YouTube channel, so make sure that you head on over there and subscribe over there. All the information is free. Crypto Taínos, big bro. Thank you so much for that follow, Crypto Taínos. I'm one of you guys, bro. Puerto Rico in the house. Crypto Granny, big shout out to the one and only GOAT, the one and only La Bichota, Crypto Granny. How you doing, Crypto Granny? Crypto Granny is my younger brother, bro. Absolutely, Crypto Granny. Absolutely. We just weren't born from the same. We're brothers. We're brothers. I'm pretty sure we were brothers in another lifetime, and we will be on the next one. King H, big shout out to you over on the TikTok channel saying XRP goes up 1%. People get excited. Hell fucking yeah, bro. If you don't get excited with 1% XRP, I don't know what the hell are you going to do with your life, bro. You don't know what you're doing. I don't know what you're doing. I get excited. I get all tingly on the inside when I get 1% XRP. 8-Bit over on the YouTube channel saying, are you Puerto Rican? I was born in San Juan. Yes, I am Puerto Rican. I live in Puerto Rico and I enjoy it very much. I ain't going nowhere. I love my beautiful island. And when it comes to crypto, even more, because you got those tax havens, you know? You gotta know what you're doing, you know? You know what I'm saying? All right, guys. So that was comp. Moving on to some lake. Lake. What is lake? Can I get it? Can I get it? Can I get it? Lakecoin. Danny Norton, big shout out to you. Thank you so much for that subscribe over on the YouTube channel. Fizz, thank you for that follow on the TikTok. Brother, who was the one who brought in Lake? 8-bit. I don't see Lake as a coin. Is Lake a coin? I don't have it. Or is it like new? Did it just come out? Because if it came out like today or yesterday, it's not going to give me any data. Let me see. Lake. Data Lake. Is that the one that you want to see? Data Lake? Lake? Oh, okay. So Lake it doesn't have historical data. So I can't do analysis on Lake, brother. You're going to have to wait for this coin to do something in the market, you know, so that it has historical data. Then we can do some TA. But I don't see it available as of just yet to do my analysis. Hey, been saying it's on Coin Market Cap. Yeah, it could be in Coin Market Cap, but that doesn't mean that it's on TradingView. I don't see it on TradingView. Let me see. What are the trading pairs? Open Ocean, USDC, Lake. No, it doesn't have Lake/USDC. So I don't USDT. So it doesn't have. That is weird. Can't do analysis on that one, brother. I'm sorry. But we can do it on the other one. What was the other one? The other one was MTRM, right? MTRM. MEXC. Brother, I'm waiting for that fucking license to get here, the Palau ID, so I can get my MEXC account. I want a MEXC account. So when it comes to MTRM, yes, this has potential to the upside. It is curving back down, but it has very little volume. So yeah, we're gonna stack up. Okay, so we got a low, we have a high, we have a reversal of the high. So my target price for some NTRM is 10 cents 484. So when it comes to MTRM, yes, absolutely stacking up on some MTRM action, guys. 10 cents is my target price for MTRM. Let's see if it actually comes back down to those zones, and I'm stacking up on some MTRM. I'm gonna put a little asterisk because it looking kind of juicy there, brother. Looking juicy. Moving on to some RSC. What is RSC? It's another one that doesn't have a USD tether pair. Does it? No. That one also does not have a USDT pair, brother. I can't do analysis on that one. Let's go for ANC. Oops. Anchor Protocol. Is that the one that you want to look at, guys? Anchor Protocol. USD. Can I get it on KuCoin? Let me see. No, I can't get it on KuCoin? Oh, that sucks. Okay. Okay. It's okay. It's okay. ANC, USDT, MEXC. Oh, okay. So, upwards movement on this price action right over here. This is a type of coin that you buy now and you hold for the next bull cycle, guys. Alboy, big shout out to you. Thank you for that follow, Alboy. Success. Thank you so much for that, Rose, brother. Thank you so much. Thank you for the appreciation. I appreciate you 100%. Crypto Angel, like always. Oh my God, thank you so much for the roses. Crypto Angel, big shout out to you over on the TikTok channel. Like always, I highly appreciate you guys. Thank you for the support. 8-bit over on the YouTube channel saying Lake and RSC are newer, so may not find them. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's the thing. They're super new. I don't have historical data that I can use to do my technical analysis. But if they have very little volume, just buy it and hold it for the next bull cycle. Not financial advice, but that's what I would do. If it has no volume, no market cap, go for it. Fuck it. I'll put $100 in and see what happens on the next bull cycle. That's what I would do. So ANC, upwards momentum from some AMC action. My entry price for ANC is 1 cent. We're still trading on that 1 cent mark, 0.013641. My entry price for ANC, brother, is 0.013641. Okay, put a limit buy order there or an alarm so it shows you when that price action is going to happen. We are getting this T candle right now on the last candle. We might get that 0.01 action coming real soon. So keep an eye out on that one, guys. If you want to trade ANC, my entry price is 0.01364. That's how I would trade it. Shabanalia, that's a kick-ass name, brother. Can you please, over on the TikTok, big shout out to you. Can you please look at gold? Oh, you want to look at gold? Yeah, we can look at gold. What was the ticker for gold? It was what was it? It was XAU, right? XAU, yeah. Gold spot. Let me go for gold. Let me go over here. There we go. So gold. Ooh. Okay, I like gold. I like gold. Gold pumping to the upside, guys. Look, gold is looking real interesting. We got a channel, that's for sure. We have a major channel right over here. So let me put it right there. There we go. That is your resistance line. See, guys, you can use the same analysis, even if it's gold. If gold is a commodity, it's not a crypto, you can do the same thing. You can apply one thing to another. So we got that resistance zone, and it has been tested 1, 2, 3 times. So this resistance is actually a trend line. Okay. Meaning that the moment that this resistance gets tested and broken through, that'll become support and a trend line, meaning that it won't go lower than that. Let me zoom out a little bit over here. We go to the weekly. Yeah, okay, let me go back to the daily. But I'm liking the formation. I'm liking the structure. I really, really, really do. Anyway, so let's draw out our support line now. I think I can draw it from over here. Yeah. So we got the support down there. We got the resistance up here. This is a bearish signal, by the way. This is a bearish flag. You got to keep an eye out for the price range of 2074. Keep an eye out for 2074. If the base of the candle closes above 2074, power to the upside. Okay, guys? Power to the upside. So that is your pattern. Your pattern is 2074. Now let's look at the Fibonacci levels and figure out an entry price. There we go. It found the support on the 0.5. Okay. So your best bet is one of these two. If you don't have any gold and you're waiting for a little dumpy dump on gold, it would be 1,838. and 1,785 to start stacking up on spot prices of gold. I love gold. So your major resistance is 2074. Your support, big shout out to Game by Game over on the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for that subscribe, brother. So when it comes to gold, your resistance is $2,000. Your support is 1,800. Anything between that range is your buy zone. But right now, this area right here is your danger zone, okay? Because we don't know what the price is going to do. We have resistance, we have support, but we don't know what the price is going to do now. So as of right now, you don't buy gold, you don't buy anything. You wait for the market to do its thing because we either going to break those resistance or we're going to find that support on the downside. Your best bet would be to stack up on gold at these two price ranges over there and let it see if it actually tests those zones. Because it can break to the downside. It can break the support. As of right now, I don't see that happening. So when it comes to gold, I am going to start buying some gold at 1,838 and 1,785. Okay. Same thing, same scenario. Same thing, same scenario. We got the trend line here. We got the trend lines over here. Okay. We need one more. We need one more touch. And I believe that touch is going to be 1,838. Yep. All right, Shabanalia. Big shout out to you, Shabanalia. Crypto Granny, oh my God. Thank you so much for all those roses, Crypto Granny. Wow. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. I don't know how much to appreciate you guys. Like, I don't even know. This community is absolutely amazing. 133 people, guys. I'm going to start crying, bro. I've been doing this for 3 years. Not once did I ever get 133 people. If you're consistent, if you have discipline and you persist and you persist and you persist, we're all going to get there, guys. We're all going to get there someday. It's just going to happen. I have so much faith that we're going to get there, guys. You have no idea. And I appreciate and love each and every one of you for giving me your time. And I'm trying to do my best not to waste it, you know? I'm trying to spit as much facts and fire as I can for you guys. And I'm not going to let you down. So that, guys, was gold. I'm going to do one more. We can do a few more. LCX USDT. LCX token on Coinbase. Only on Coinbase, really? Ooh, so we did LCX a few days ago. My target price for LCX, still the same scenario when we talked about it on the previous live stream. I don't remember when we did this, but it is the exact same thing. Nothing has changed. My entry price is still set at 0.0525, okay? 0.05, so 5 cents. Anything in 5 cents is your golden zone, okay? So I still haven't gotten any LCX until we reach that 618. Oh, it's 8 p.m. Yep, we got the new candles. There we go. It is 8 p.m., people. We got the new candle, and we are closing above the 382 on LCX. Ooh, fuck this price range. LCX has a potential to close at 11.12. Leroy, big shout out to you. Thank you for that follow, Leroy. Digital Ronin, thank you so much for those roses, Digital Ronin. Amazing. Thank you so much. Let me see XRP. Let me see XRP for a second here. Give me a second, guys. So XRP still finding that support on the 618. We haven't closed anything at all. Nothing interesting is happening on XRP right now, okay? So let's get that out of the way. We're nowhere near anywhere, guys, on XRP. We're still stuck on that 60 mark. So LCX has a huge probability of closing to 11 cents and is trading at 7 cents right now. Let's see how that one plays out. Obviously, this is only going to play out if Bitcoin plays out because everything is dragged by Bitcoin. DGR coin over on the TikTok channel saying he's using TradingView. Yes, guys, this is the only tool I use is TradingView. TradingView.com. Get yourselves a free account. You can have up to 3 indicators. We only use 2. And you can use all the analysis that you want. You can use my Fibonacci, everything. You can the same way that I do. And it's free. It's free. Crypto Granny over on the TikTok channel saying, see you tonight, Crypto After Dark. Hell yeah. Let me know. Send me the invite when you guys go to the stream. I'll be there, guys. Don't miss it, guys. Everybody follow Crypto Granny. If you guys are not following Crypto Granny or anybody here in the community, I don't know what you're doing with your lives. Crypto Granny is amazing. And we always do our live streams after dark, after 12 p.m., 12 a.m. We do it from 12 a.m. to 4 a.m. So if you guys want to go over there and chill with us, make sure that you follow Crypto Granny over on the TikTok. So LCX looking real saucy, real good to the upside, guys. If you're not holding on to some LCX, I don't know what you're going to do with your life. It has a potential to go all the way up to 11 cents. So you do whatever you want to do, okay? Completely up to you guys. The 618 is 0.0525. So your best bet would be to go in at 0.0525. But I'm tasting it. I'm tasting this 11 cent mark right over here, guys. I don't know. It feels kind of good. Ooh, you know what also would feel kind of good? Some sushi. I'm thinking about going for some sushi today. Or yeah, I'm thinking about going some sushi. What do you think, guys? Should we go some sushi today? I'm fucking starving. I want some fucking sushi. And that, guys, is the markets. Just to give you an update, guys, before we go, I know you guys were looking out for my trading bots. My trading bot, as of right now, I have my $10,000 investment on these bots. It is banking me $622 in 6 days. So about $100 a day on a $10,000 investment. Not too shabby. This shit was down yesterday, and I was losing money yesterday. So not too bad. This trading bot is doing really good, guys. And my trade on XRP is up 0.5%. And I'm not thinking that this is going to hold. We just went in super duper crazy right there on the 618. I don't know what this trade is going to do. So I'm just going to leave it open there. Let's see how it plays out, guys. All right, guys. That's all the time I got for you today. Big shout out for everybody here. You guys are amazing like always. I highly appreciate you. Thank you so much for your time, for your little hour of power. We were here since 5 p.m. It's 7 p.m. now. We were streaming for 2 hours. That's absolutely amazing like always, guys. I will be back again tomorrow at 5 p.m. Eastern. Remember, I stream from 5 to 7 p.m. Eastern every day, okay, from Monday to Friday. So don't make sure not to lose it, not to miss it. Make sure that you follow, like, and from all of my streaming platforms. I'm streaming on every single platform out there. I'm on YouTube, I'm on Twitch, I'm on Kick, I'm on TikTok. I'm all over the place, guys. No reason why not to get my price ranges, okay, guys? I'll be back again tomorrow at 5 p.m. And if you're awake after midnight, make sure that you go to the Crypto Granny channel over on the TikTok. I will be doing there some streams also. I always hang out with you guys over there in the community, and we talk about some shit. It's 12 p.m. a.m. It's 12 a.m. We just chill out for a little hour of power. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go get something to eat. I'm thinking about going for some sushi action. I don't know what you guys are gonna do, but I will be back again at 5 p.m. Eastern tomorrow. Thank you so much for your time. I highly appreciate you all. Thank you for your gifts and your support. Like always, love you, each and every one of you. I will see you again tomorrow at 5 p.m. Eastern, or tonight at the Crypto Granny live stream. Thank you guys for stopping by. Had a good one. Hope you did too. I will see you again tomorrow, 5 p.m. Eastern. God bless. Take care and have a good one.